Hello and welcome back to our special coverage on the cash cleanup drive by the Modi government. Nitya Balakrishnan joins in from Hyderabad to give us an update from her side. Nitya, over to you.
While the Prime Minister's demonetization drive continues to be debated amongst economists, experts, various ranks of society and even corporate India, it is the small establishments that have clearly taken a hit in the manner at which demonetization was executed. With banks and ATMs running out of cash, especially smaller notes, there has been absolute business being hit in restaurants and establishments like this. I am in Ameerpet in Hyderabad talking to the owners of the Suhail's Hotel. सर, आप बताइए कि आपके यूजुअल बिजनेस पे कोई असर पड़ा है इन 3 दिनों में?
बहुत बड़ा असर पड़ा। यहाँ पे बिल्कुल गरीब गुरबा लोग हैं, जो छोटे छोटे काम करने वाले लेबर क्लास लोग हैं, उनके खाने के लिए बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो गई और उनके पास में पैसे भी नहीं है। तो हम 2 दिन जो है ना, फिर भी जो है वो लोग को उधार सदार जो हमारे पास में था रेस्टोरेंट में, हम वो दिए। उसके बाद में हमको रेस्टोरेंट बंद करना पड़ा और 4-5 आदमी हमारे पास काम करते, वो भी बेकार हो गए। अभी आपके सामने देखिए पूरा बंद पड़े हुआ है। ये नरेंद्र मोदी साहब का ये बहुत गलत डिसीजन है। ये हर आम आदमी, इससे ब्लैक मनी आने वाली नहीं है। इससे जो है एक आम आदमी की जेब कट गई और हर कोई जो है 500 रुपए की नोट को 400 रुपये काट के दे रहा है, 1000 की नोट को 200-300 काट के दे रहा है। ब्लैक मनी हटाए या ये ब्लैक मनी का बाजार गर्म कर दिए मोदी साहब, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा। क्योंकि हर एक के पास में देखिए आप, हाथ में जो है नोट ले लेके गरीब आदमी भाग रहा है, कोई जहर खा ले रहा है, कोई जहर खाने के लिए भी गरीब पैसे नहीं है उसके पास में। ये नरेंद्र मोदी साहब ये हाल कर दिए।
प्रधानमंत्री कह रहे हैं लेकिन लॉन्ग टर्म में ये सही होगा ये उपाय। अगर अभी कोई तकलीफ हो रहा है तो 2-3 दिन की बात है या 2 हफ्ते की बात है, उससे आपका क्या ये है कि आप 2-3 दिन रुक सकते हैं ऐसे सिचुएशन?
देखिए, एक गरीब आदमी 1 सेकंड नहीं रुक सकता। 2-3 दिन उनके घर वालों को रुका लेना था। ये इतने बड़े मुल्क के अंदर इतनी बड़ी जनता है, ये डेमोक्रेसी है। यहाँ पे रातें रात जो है बादशाही हुकूमत के जैसा नोट बंद बोल के बोल दिए।
Okay, well, we have one more reaction now coming in. Amrish Rao of Citrus Pay is now with us. Amrish, hi. Thank you very much for joining in. Can you tell us what the statistics have been like since the past 5 days for you for Citrus Pay?
Hi, thank you. So this is the really fantastic moment for digital payments for both Citrus Pay and also for PayU India. We normally process about 12 lakh transactions every day, and what we had seen was in the next 2 days after the demonetization move was announced, our transactions actually went up by about 80% day after day. So we had transactions passing about 20 lakh transactions on one day. These are all digital payment transactions. These are transactions which are happening on e-commerce companies. These are transactions being done by small merchants who were initially accepting cash but now moved to invoice-based payments or digital payments. This is a fantastic move for our industry for digital payments.
Okay, fair enough. So just to get this correct, from 12 lakh average transactions that you see generally, you've gone up to around 20 lakh transactions in the past 5 days on an average per day.
That is correct.
Okay. Any infrastructure issues that you might be facing, Amrish? Are you at the height of your capacity? Are you upgrading your technology, your infrastructure as we speak in order to accommodate this?
See, I think the timing from our perspective was very, very good because Diwali in general means very high transaction volumes for digital payments with all the sales which were being conducted by e-commerce companies, and hence our infrastructure and our capacity planning was already in place. What was also very interesting for us is that on the backs of a very successful Diwali sales by various e-commerce companies, this almost has turned out to be another Diwali for us digital payments companies. And we are very excited, not just about what's happened now, but what it means for the future. I guess one area which I would think that there would be a lot of acceleration from a consumer side is around adoption of this whole UPI, which was launched about 45 days back. The UPI uptake in the market was very, very recent. Consumers are still understanding how to use UPI. But if that had been completed almost about, like, let's say 3 or 4 months back, we think the transaction increase would have been a lot more. In small cities, small rural pockets, we are getting to see consumers asking us questions around how to use UPI to make purchase transaction and also make person-to-person money movement.
How much has your revenue increased, say, in the past 5 days?
As I said, on an average, so we have two counts. One is the transaction count.
Yeah.
Other is the volume count. So,
Yeah.
We on an annualized basis process somewhere close to about 40,000 crores on a yearly basis. But for these 5 days, we've actually seen that increase by almost 80% on a daily basis. Now, will that last for the entire full year? Not yet sure. But what we are very clear is that from a 40,000 crore digital payment transactions that we process on an annualized basis, next year we do expect to go about 100,000 crores in terms of digital payment transactions just on the PayU platforms and Citrus platforms in India.
Okay, Amrish, we don't have much time, so a quick one-word answer on this. If you can share with us how many retail or how many customers have been added, not people like us who use Citrus Pay, but for example, how many clients you've added in the past 5 days?
Yes. So what we have seen is, we were at about 150,000 businesses. Let's not call it customers. Let's say businesses or merchants or retailers. And from 150,000, we've almost added about 12,000 new in the last 5 days itself. So it is a landmark change which is happening when it comes to small business.
Okay, fair enough, Amrish. We're going to let you go on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and speaking with us. So that is Citrus Pay talking about how their average transactions have increased from 12 lakh to 20 lakh per day just in the past 5 days. With that, it's a wrap on this edition of our special show as well, Cash Cleanup. Stay tuned for a lot more from the world of business.